Nakamute daw.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Kuya Nash. Ha? Good evening po, mga ate, kuya, bunso, and friends of Eagles.
Good evening, Eddie.
Good evening, good afternoon, JNP.
Good evening.
Good evening po. Allow me to pay my respects to the dignitaries present with us today, headed by your regional governor, no? The energetic Kuya Gov Edison Sabio. Magandang gabi po. Ang ating Secretary General, Kuya Vic Isip. Kuya Deputy Secretary General, Kuya Alexander Apunta. And of course, ang gwapong-gwapo nating Field Director, Kuya Rodel Abellana.
Good evening, Eddie.